Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is Mail Call. Today I am going to show you, I got two envelopes. These are patterns that I have won from Kerry-in-Stitches. Please go check her out. She has a lot of very pretty projects that she is working on right now. So anyway, I won two different things over the last couple of months from her, so I would like to share those. And I got my second package from Debbie, the Canadian Crocheter. If you watched my last mail call video, you will know that I had won her giveaway, which was a 3-month. She would send a package once a month for 3 months, and there would be yarn in it, but besides that, the person who won, which would be me, would not know what else was in it. It's just like full of goodies. So the second one came, and I just want you to look at this bag. Do you see all of these holes in it? This is not Debbie's fault. This is not the post office's fault. This is from my son's dog. The post office, they left it on the porch, which is fine, but my son's dog was out, and being a puppy proceeded to grab the package and start chewing on it. So my son was here in the house, and he was getting ready to leave, and he looked outside, and his puppy had the package, and he took it away from the puppy and said, "Mom, here's a package for you from Canada." And this is what the package looked like. So I was so hopeful that nothing got damaged or anything inside, but it didn't. So anyway, this is package number 2 that I want to show you guys. So I'll go ahead and start with what I had won from Kerry-in-Stitches. So this will be cross stitch. I'm doing cross stitch and crochet mail call today. The first one that I won was Delightful Dear Kit. It's a card. That is so pretty. I love the little card patterns. So I won that. And then I won these like Christmas scene, snow scene, winter scene. So I'll show you really fast because it is a pattern. So those were 2 that I won. And then the other was another card. And this one is so cute with the bunny. These card ones have such adorable patterns. So there's that one. So really looking forward to working on those. Thank you so much, Kerry. Okay. This package from Debbie was packed. She even, well, let me just show you. I got cotton yarn. It's called Knit CA Wavy. And she said, well, here's one right here. Anyway, I got 4 of the yellow. Very soft, very soft cotton. she said that the company was a Canadian company, but that it was not made in Canada. But it's very pretty, very, very soft. So I got 4 yellow, 100% cotton yarn, and she used a sealer, a vacuum sealer. And I have not even opened this stuff. It's just, things have just been really, really hectic. So I'm just going to show you it. But anyway, I got 4 white that's still in there. So I have yellow and white. And she sent me this little bag. And it says Nova Scotia Fisherman Extreme Skincare. And it has the little see-through pouch. And what's inside is a Fisherman Rescue Balm. There is a chapstick, Nova Scotia Fisherman Extreme Lip Kit. It's called Fisher Mint. Very minty. Can never have enough lip balm. There is a soap. It's a tangy clay and mint. Smells so good. And there is a hand and body cream. So good. Can't wait to try these products. I love being able to try that she sends Canadian products, because this is the only way that I would be able to try anything from Canada. And I really, really have enjoyed this trying different things. And then she sent me a tote bag that has all kind of Canadian, big tote bag. Great for putting big projects in, big size bag. Big size bag. And it just has different names, like there's like Quebec, and let me see, what else, Edmonton, Winnipeg, up here at the top. There's just Niagara Falls. Just different names and different things about Canada. There's maple syrup on there. So, yeah, very, very nice. We'll be using that for sure. And then I got orange, 100% cotton. So I got 4 of those. So I've got 12 cotton yarn. And I got a lighted crochet hook, a 5.0 millimeter, which is an H. Can't wait to use this. Like a lot of you know, my lighting is absolutely horrible in this house in the evening. So this is really going to help. I am really, really looking forward to working with this. So I got one of these. And of course I got a kitty. Look at that. Is that not adorable? With the little tail that hangs down. So cute. So, so cute. And inside she has candy and this little Easter bunnies, plastic bunny. And I got 2 carrots, 2 chocolate carrots. So that was so adorable. Then I got another donut card. Love the card. And then I got a, what is this? It's a digital row counter. I have never used these, so this is going to be fun to experiment with. So many things here that I have not tried. And then I got some Indulgent Makers, Cozy Crochet Accessories book. And I'll show you some of the patterns in here. Like there's a cowl. There is mittens. There's a hat. And here is some more mittens. And all these patterns are in the book. And here is some slippers. And some gloves. And that is almost all. And then at the very end, I got some chocolate. I got dark Noor. I got coconut. And I got almonds. I can't wait to try these. I've been waiting to do the video so me and my mom can have a little bit. And of course, you see this one? See the teeth marks? That was the puppy got through the bag and yeah, got into the chocolate, did not get a hold of any of it. It's still sealed, but I was so thankful that my son opened the door when he did, because this would not have been good if that puppy would have got a hold of these. So, but thank you. That's all that she sent. But thank you so much, Debbie, for another awesome package. I love all the yarn that I've gotten so far, and this crochet hook that lights up, can't wait to try it. I will be able to do a lot more crocheting in the evenings now with this. So thank you so much for all the goodies. And I can't wait to get my last package, which will be coming in May. So stay tuned for that mail call, and I will show you my third and last package from Debbie. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please make sure to like, comment, share. If you're new, please subscribe if you liked what you've seen. I do other videos besides these, so check out my channel. I do crochet videos, I do cross stitch videos, I do the mail call videos, and I also, on occasion, I will have some scrapbooking videos that I do. So, and there is a number of animal videos, like sheep videos, cat videos, bird videos, and things like that I do. So if that interests you, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and that will notify you of any future videos that I do. So anyway, thank you guys all so much for your support. I do appreciate you all. And I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.